Hello everyone! In our micro insight, we introduced your body's powerhouse organs. Today we're doing a full deep dive. We often hear the term powerhouse used in human biology, most famously for the mitochondria, the incredible energy-producing organelles within our cells. But on a macro level, several major organs act as larger-scale powerhouses for the entire body, governing everything from circulation to detoxification. Based on their vital functions and immense energy demands, here are the top 5 critical powerhouse organs that need your conscious and subconscious care, and the best fruit that scientifically supports each one. Let's start with the heart. This is the relentless engine of your circulatory system, pumping blood to every single cell. It's so vital that its muscle cells can be up to 40% mitochondria. For conscious care, think cardio exercise and managing blood pressure. Subconsciously, it's all about stress management. And the best fruit for your heart? Tomatoes. They're loaded with lycopene, a potent antioxidant that studies have linked to reduced heart disease risk by helping lower LDL cholesterol and blood pressure. A quick pro tip: cooked tomato products like sauce actually make the lycopene easier for your body to absorb. Next, the command center, your brain. It consumes a staggering 20% of your body's total energy and oxygen. Conscious care means lifelong learning and, crucially, prioritizing sleep for memory consolidation. Subconsciously, we must protect it from chronic inflammation. To feed your brain, reach for blueberries. These little berries are legendary for their high concentration of anthocyanins. Research connects regular blueberry consumption to slower mental decline, improved memory, and protection for your brain's delicate neural tissues. Now to your body's primary filtration plant, the liver. It processes everything you consume, detoxifies substances, and manages metabolism. A single liver cell contains over 2,000 mitochondria to power this. Conscious care means limiting alcohol and processed sugars. Subconsciously, it's about supporting its natural 24/7 cycle with consistent sleep. The top fruit for liver health is grapefruit. Research indicates it can help lower triglycerides and inflammation, reducing the liver's metabolic burden. It contains antioxidants like Naringenin and vitamin C that support the liver's detox pathways. A very important note: if you are on any medication, please consult your doctor first, as grapefruit can at times interact with some drugs, so just cross-check. Often overlooked are the kidneys. These are sophisticated water treatment facilities, filtering all your blood every 30 minutes to remove waste and balance electrolytes. Conscious care is simple: stay hydrated and watch your sodium intake. Subconsciously, manage blood pressure, which is a silent threat to kidney health. Their best supporting fruit? Cranberries. They're famous for urinary tract health, thanks to unique compounds called Anthocyanins, which prevent bacteria from sticking to walls. This helps prevent infections that can travel up to the kidneys. Just be sure to choose unsweetened versions, as added sugar isn't helpful. Finally, let's talk about your digestive system, or gut. This is where the fuel is actually processed and delivered. A healthy gut is also central to your immune system and even your mood via the gut-brain axis. Conscious care means eating a high-fiber diet. Subconsciously, managing stress is key, as it directly disrupts your gut microbiome. And the best fruit for your gut? Figs. They are a phenomenal source of dietary fiber, which is essential for adding bulk to stool and promoting regularity. More importantly, that fiber acts as a prebiotic, food for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. In fact, figs contain more beneficial polyphenols than red wine or tea. So, to quickly recap, here are the pairs. Your heart goes with tomatoes for the lycopene, the brain with blueberries and anthocyanins, liver with grapefruit and naringenin, the twin kidneys with cranberries and proanthocyanidins, and your gut with figs and the essential fiber it contains. Remember, a holistic approach is key. While each fruit is a superstar for a specific organ, variety is crucial. All fruits and vegetables provide a spectrum of benefits. The fruit is just one powerful piece of the puzzle. By understanding the roles of these vital organs, and nourishing them with targeted, nutrient-dense foods, you make a conscious investment in your long-term health and well-being. Thanks for watching this deep dive. What powerhouse organ are you going to nourish first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to click the like button, share and subscribe for more evidence-based deep insights.